Hello guys, welcome to Inside Electronics. So in today's episode, let's take a look at this Panasonic PNLV226E genuine power supply. Now this thing is used for Panasonic cordless phones, and this one is pretty old. This one is like 6 years old I believe, and a power surge in my area killed this one. So when I searched online for a replacement, I found that these things are not cheap. These things cost around 15 UK pounds, that is around 20 US dollars, or around 1200 Indian rupees. So these are no joke. These are seriously expensive power supply for its size and its weight. This thing really is costly. So I wonder what's inside of this. I can pretty much assume it's, even before taking this thing apart, I already knew that it was an SMPS because of its lightweight. And to confirm, I just made a hole over here. I can actually see what's inside through here. And the main problem with these kind of things is that these are hermetically sealed. These are ultrasonically welded. So to take this apart, it really needs hard work. So I just use a hand hacksaw to make a crack over here and use my pliers to get this thing open. Now enough of talking, let's open it up and see what's inside. And before that, let me just bring up you the schematics, the specifications for it. It is a 5.5 volts 500 milliamps power supply with center positive of the negative pin, which, and this is the small pin right here. It operates from 220 to 240 volts, and pretty much that's it. So let's crack it open and I'll be back once I open it. So I finally managed to crack open the entire casing, as you can see over here. So, and it came out that this thing is really a good circuit, in fact, except the fact that it is a blown circuit. This is where the problem occurred. As you can see, I don't know, let me adjust the focus. There it is, and bring down the contrast. There is the issue right there. A resistor and few other components are damaged, and also this capacitor right here is just about to explode. In fact, the vent hole has just swollen up, and that's the end of this power supply. And the good thing is that this power supply actually uses really high quality components, and the capacitors, these are proper Rubicon branded capacitors, and this one is Samcon, I think. It's not visible completely, but it is SAMXON. That is a brand name of that. That is how I managed to read that, and it is really simple. And this is the first time ever I'm seeing such a small silicon diodes. In fact, if you compare it with a regular diode, let me find a regular diode, please. So here is the regular 14007 diode, and if you compare it to that one, you can see that those diodes are really small. See that? See the difference? It's like half the size of a regular diode. This is the first time I'm seeing such a small diodes. But anyways, the circuit is really simple. It uses a 1 amp fuse over here, then it goes to another 10 ohms resistor, followed by the bridge rectifier, then it goes to an LC filter circuit, and these filters are for the primary side, and this is for the secondary. And you can actually see it is marked over here, it's primary and the secondary. And it uses the common 13003 switching transistor. And what's really interesting about the circuit is the name of this chip. If you can read that, let me adjust the focus. I don't know whether you can see that or not. Yes, there it is. See the name of that? It says SEND, send. I mean, what? And that is the name of the chip that they use, and I don't find any other information about that particular chip. And look at the spacing between the primary and the secondary side. I mean, it really is like a centimeter wide at the proper regions, and it doesn't use any kind of feedback. As far as I can see, there is no feedback mechanism over here, so it means the primary, it senses the primary side for the current regulation, and it really is a massive separation over here. The output side is really simple. It uses the Schottky diode and followed by the SAMCON capacitor, and it's pretty much straight to the output. So yeah, this really is a good working circuit. For the price you are paying, you are actually getting really good quality component. This is, these capacitors and everything, these are not Chinese quality. Anyway, this is actually, if you see all these markings on here, these certificates and quality marking, then those are real markings. Those are not any fake things at all. So these are all the remnants of my stuff. And by the way, this note is about another thing that I'm working on, and you will watch that in another video. But for now, that's it for the $20 Panasonic original genuine power supply. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.